is BEP, or the break-even point in economics. It is the point at which total cost and total revenue are equal.
Even. There is no net loss or gain, and one has broken even.
Though opportunity costs have been paid and capital has received the risk-adjusted expected return.
So the three important terms in getting break-even points are the following. The first is the revenue or the income, and the second is the total fixed cost or the sum of all non-variable expenses. And lastly, the variable costs or the costs that were changed as the quantity of the goods.
So what is the importance of break-even point? The importance of break-even point is that break-even analysis is an important aspect of a good business plan, since it helps the business to determine the cost structures and the number of units that need to be sold in order to cover the cost or make a profit.
Needs a wafer, 4 pesos each. Needs a wafer.